In today's video, I'm sharing with you our internal system to manage design. All right. Why you need this is because this is how 8 and 9 figure brands don't have to reinvent the wheel every single month. What they do is they have a winning template, they have a notion of what is the most important real estate of the email, mobile and desktop. And then they just translate this over to flows, all the different kinds of flows, welcome series, browse abandonment, abandoned cart, post purchase, win back, so on and so forth. All right. If you if you're essentially looking to improve your flows for Black Friday, stay tuned. And also, you have a free access to this inside of our YouTube master doc for YouTube. This is where I'm releasing all of our freebies and every single lesson that I'm doing daily. So if you're new to this channel, you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm here to share with you every single day with a new video, what worked, what didn't work, and what we're actively doing to scale email and SMS marketing funnels for e-commerce stores, all in the pursuit of finding top-tier talent, new opportunities, and growing my network. All right. So I'm not here to sell you anything, but I'm here to actually help you out with email and SMS with daily videos. So if you want to make bank this Q4, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like if you want to leave a like, and drop your questions in the comment section down below. All right. So let's jump in here. This entire doc, again, is going to wait for you right here. Let me actually just do it right now so I don't forget. All right. Oops. Let me just go here. Boom. You have access to the file. Let's jump in and see why you even need this. So the big boys, the big brands, they don't reinvent the wheel every single month. What they do is they have, once again, a notion and a template for a winning email, which I have for you right here. And then they just pass it on to a designer once they have the copy ready. All right. So what you want to do is just a quick understanding of what does a winning email look like and what is the most important area of the email. It's this pre-scroll visible area. On mobile, it's a bit longer. On desktop, it's a bit shorter, as you can see. And this is what it looks like on desktop and on mobile. All right. Once you understand this, you can now create good visuals. I mean, a designer can, because that's their expertise, that basically either repeat itself or it's optimized for mobile and desktop. What you should make sure is that you don't overcomplicate your emails. So if it's a welcome email, you can do like welcome to brand, right? And now, and the call to action, right? So from now on, you're in for a special treat, right? Put all the benefits right here, benefits. And you want to make sure you have a call to action. So many brands just forget about the most important fact. You need a call to action in the most important real estate of the email, which is the pre-scroll visible area. All right. So I'm not going to change this so you have this clear for you. Then you have multiple sections just helping out with, giving some added value to that main hero section. This is what are called hero section. You can put testimonials, reviews, bestsellers, right? And the footer. Now, I also give you like a very simple way to manage your flows, right? The most important thing with anything related to marketing or business is to keep yourself organized. Here, you can basically, after you have copy, your designer can organize themselves inside of each one of these flow Figma flows, right? So you can put all the emails right here for welcome series, browse abandonment, or any other flows you need. And this is how you can keep yourself organized. All right. So you have an entire system here for design. If you like this kind of stuff for Figma, let me know. I'm going to make more of these and how we manage and organize our clients, 8 and 9 figure brands. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. And by the way, I haven't mentioned this, but this is how you can also organize your campaigns for Black Friday, right? So this is for flows. You can also do the same thing for campaigns, kind of do this. And now you can do October 2025, tomato, right? This is a system pretty much for all your email designs from now on. And you're welcome. I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Take care.